Hello, my friends. How's everybody doing today? I thought we'd talk about a special ship that that's traveling across the Atlantic Ocean. A special ship will launch on April 19th. It's in a couple of weeks, or depending when I send this out. The ship will travel across the Atlantic Ocean. It will study the ocean, and no people will be able to be on the ship. So it's kind of interesting. There's no people on the ship. The ship is named the Mayflower Autonomous Ship, or MAS. Autonomous means the MAS controls itself. It is named after a famous ship. The famous ship was named the Mayflower. The Mayflower traveled across the Atlantic Ocean in 1620. That was a long, long time ago. The MAS will follow the same route as the Mayflower and will leave Plymouth, England on April 19th and will go to Plymouth, Mass., which isn't far from us at all, in the U.S. The route is more than 3,000 miles. The Mass will finish the journey in 14 days, give or take. It's not like most ships. The Mass will use energy from the wind. It will use energy from the sun, too. Computers will control the mass, and the computers will help the mass make decisions. So like we talked about the wind turbines, and we've been talking about our environment, there's the wind and the sun starting to power things. The mass will collect data about the Atlantic Ocean. It will be about weather, pollution, and ocean life. It will send the data to scientists, and the data will help scientists learn about the Atlantic Ocean. People can follow online. People can use the route of the mass. They can see the speed too. People can see the weather on the ocean and can see the data being collected. That might be fun. The Mayflower autonomous ship will launch on April 19th. No people will be on it. It will collect data about the Atlantic Ocean. People can follow the journey. Will you try it? Will you follow it? It will travel across the Atlantic Ocean. It looks like a spacecraft. It has solar panels on the top, and the solar panels collect energy from the sun. The energy makes the mass move. That's kind of cool. Big solar panels. It traveled across the Atlantic Ocean in 1620. The Mayflower was a big ship made of wood. It had big sails, and wind blew into the sails, and the wind made the Mayflower move. A special ship will travel across the Atlantic Ocean. It's the second biggest ocean on Earth, and many islands are in the Atlantic Ocean. North America and South America are west of the Atlantic Ocean, and Europe and Africa are east of the Atlantic Ocean. Let's see, we're not going to cook the ship slaw. All right, what was the paper about? Do you remember? Was it about a special ship? Was it about a WrestleMania? Or was it about Lego World? Or Lego Video? If you said it was about a special ship, you're right. Oh no, here we go. Who will the mass send data to? Ballerinas, referees, or scientists? Well, I don't think dancers would want the thing, or referees, so it'll go to scientists. What will it travel across? The Pacific, the Atlantic, or the Indian Ocean? And as we talked about, it's going across the Atlantic. What controls the ship? Is it cars, computers, or a steering wheel? This is pretty cool. Computers control it. I think this is awesome. What will the mass gather from the ocean? Will it gather data, rocks, or flowers? Well, I don't think we'll gather rocks or flowers. It'll gather some data. And what will energy help the mass do? Will it sink? Will it travel? Or will it dive? Well, I think it will travel. All right. I hope you enjoyed this story.